Hi everybody, Kelly Harden here with Mihara Associates, and today I wanted to talk to you about home repairs. What happens if a storm comes through and your home's been damaged and you have to have some repairs done, or you just want to fix some things around the property? Before you contact anyone, make sure that you contact your insurance company to see that it's a covered expense. If it is, your insurance company is probably going to recommend people to do the repairs for you. If not, do yourself a favor and make sure that you hire a licensed contractor. Licensed contractors are required in certain fields. Anything that has to do with your roof, such as a replacement or a repair of the roof, installing new windows, plumbing repairs, and electrical repairs. You want to make sure that anyone who does any of those things around your property is a licensed contractor. Now, I know you're asking, why do I need to make sure that my contractor is licensed? Number one, if your insurance company is paying for the repair work, they may refuse to pay for it if the contractor has not been licensed. Number two, if the work is substandard and not done the way it should be, you're going to have to pay more to have it repaired correctly afterwards, so you're not ahead of the game at all. Number two, could come up as an issue when you go to sell the home, that the repair work was done improperly, and then you're paying for it when you're trying to get the home sold. Unlicensed individuals typically don't have insurance, so if, heaven forbid, they get hurt while on your property, you're the one who could be liable for it. That could be extremely expensive. Plus, those types of repairs require a permit, so the licensed contractor will pull the permit for you. If your repairman is telling you, oh, you need to pull the permit, you as the homeowner, there's a problem. You should never pull the permit. That's always done by the licensed contractor. So make sure you hire somebody. It protects you, it protects your investment, and if you want to have it paid for by insurance, that's the best way to do it. If you have questions on this, or you want to check somebody's license, there's a way to do that. Reach out to me. I'll be glad to walk you through the steps. It's super simple. My number is 813-244-9688, and my email is kelly@kellyharden.realtor. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.